Jimmy Stellans, let's start over again. Demjan, Cryptoman, Linda, we know you from UK. Nice from UK. As good evening, Wax, hi bro, Mladen Petrov is in the chat. How's the house going, man? How's the house going? No sound, now there's sound. Hi bro, I think we can hear you. Give us a call, brother, this on the future, only music. You're making music is fine, man, music is fine. We got a 4-hourly close in 3 minutes. Huge support down here at 50 MA. 1 hourly also 200 MA right below us, and the daily is also right up here. So if you see this on the 5-minute time frame, it looks something like this over here. I think I wanna just go along now, man. I think I just wanna go along. This is like 7% loss. This is already, you know, hit down there once. I so want to go long. I so want to go long right now. I so want to go long right now. Let's see if I'm in chart over here. But I think it can do this and then go up, right? It can do like a dump on the downside over here. You can see the volume has been, you know, going down during the consolidation phase over here. So I think, right, you know, it's. Internationally marked. I think it's getting ready. I think it's getting ready. So you know that's nice. So we gotta follow the price. We gotta follow the price. Yeah, first day working after 8 months. It's after 8 months. It sucks. It's good, man. All you need to do is you know. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is pumping a little bit up here. If it starts breaking out, we might also, you know, buy the breakout as well. Not selling dollar cost strategy on the dips. Nice, Linda, nice. Good evening, Dobroveče, Chamali, how you doing? Guys, are you long or short? Are you thinking of long or shorting? Short. There we go. Go. Vote, guys. Wasn't a short, but took profit. Nice. Profits are always nice. Might go to 22.5. Long, I'll just now got in a bit earlier as later on pump. I want long GMT or OP. What do you think? You can't watch the price now. I need to follow what Ethereum is doing. I need to follow what Ethereum is doing over here, and you know. Dollar looks like it's breaking to its upside here. There will be moving averages up here, consolidation. How much are we willing to take? 7%, 10% loss Yeah, sure, we are willing to take 10% loss on this one. I think this, you know, this went, you know, slowly towards downside. It dumped over here, exhaustion pattern towards downside. Already, you know, the volume is going down over here. I think it wants to break up. Huge support right below us. 4-hourly closes in right now. There we go, we got a 4-hourly close. Let's see how the price is gonna react right now. 1-hourly closed with a, you know, you can see here big candle and a smaller candle up here. A 4-hourly huge big candle down to the support. I don't think this can break this on the downside. Right now sitting on the 40 on the which is very nice. I think we can push it a little bit down towards the support right now. There we go. I think we can push it down towards support over here. I think we can push towards support into this area down here. I mean, I think the best, you know, best buying opportunities down here be, you know, 610, 612 give or take. But you know, we're gonna see that. What are people thinking right now? Longing 45%, 34% shorting, 20% sitting on the sidelines, not doing anything. Guys, hit the like button if you like the stream. It's been like, you know, 3 minutes, but whatever, 6 minutes. Look in the group, long bro. Oversold in most time frames. Short before weekly close. If you're trading Fingerworks, mine, it's about ETH. OP pump would be good. Think it's down plus 13%. Already. Yeah, very nice channel. But it's hitting it on Milan posted channel down here. I think it's already going. You know, I might be FOMOing up here. In up here, but you know, down here was very nice. But you know, I think it might, you know, do a move towards downside. It doesn't. You know, this might actually just continue pumping. How much down do we have over here? 10% down. Are we willing to take the 10% risk on the downside? I mean, I you know, technically I am. You know, let's see one minute time from up here. 1 minute looks good. Closing below, maybe 13 above. I think I want to go long. I don't know. You know, open long, confirm. There we go. It's 10% towards downside. It's just a, you know, 1 minute candle that, you know, pumped a little bit up here. 5 minute candle trying to get up there a little bit. So we're gonna see if this actually plays out. We are right now long on the Ethereum. Let's see up here. Long position. Set stop loss now. No mental stop loss just in case. This saw my falling wedge on Bitcoin 4-hourly. No, I did not see that. I've been actually doing other things today, so I haven't been actually following the charts. But you know, I was looking a little bit on the you know, with my side view on the charts, and I was looking at the Ethereum, and I was like, damn, this looks like it's gonna, you know, because over here you can see it kind of increases speed way too fast, a little bit overextend towards downside, hitting very important levels of support down here. I think, you know, it needs to bounce. Can it go down again towards downside? I think you know, maybe it was a little bit premature, but here, you know, we're gonna take the 10% risk down here towards downside over here. That's like 10% risk down here. There is still no volume, I think, coming in. Still no volume. This 5 minute chart up here, but it's going down with you know, losing volume, so it's nice. Look in the group again, please. Okay, let's look in the group again. I just checked. There is it. Falling wedge, falling out of the falling wedge, but your falling wedge is kind of, you know, sketchy. Breakout trader gets wrecked like me. It's not hitting these, you know, these wicks on the downside very nicely. It might already be broken towards downside. This is a 4-hourly Binance. Let's check it out. This Qcoin, this is Binance 4-hourly. Let's check it out. By the way, is the music sound okay? You know, I would draw this something like this over here, right? Maybe give or take, but the upside, you know, this engulfing candle, so over here maybe I would do it something like this up here. And the upside, you know, I think this was a triangle that actually fell out, then went up, right now went down to the support over here, then, you know, hopefully bounce. So you're gonna see that. Yeah, I was kind of right on that, but you know, I've kind of FOMO'd in on the move. I kind of FOMO'd in on the move down there. Doesn't matter. We are under what, 5% already or something like that right now. Yeah, 5% down, but you know, it's not big bucks. It's only like 1,400 or something like that. So we're gonna take the risk. We're gonna take the risk, and you know, we're gonna see how this actually plays out. He's emotional like Sheldon, of course. Music a little bit too loud. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I see that now. There we go. This should be better. Music could be lower. Yeah, music a bit. Yeah, music a little bit too loud. Thanks for saying that. You know, I saw that. I saw that. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out. The volume is there is still no, you know, the volume is kind of, you can see here we're dropping less, we're dropping more, but the volume is going up here. So you know there is something happening right here. So let's see 10-minute chart up here. The volume is right now, you know, steadily going sideways up here. Very nice. Maybe it's gonna do this, you know, this move up here and then, you know, towards the upside. We still got, you know, a whole bunch, you know, move towards the downside that we can actually experience. So it's okay. Hey club, hey captain, are you doing a little bit louder now, please? I think it should be around 30 or something like that. Bro, love your vibe, keep it up. Jay, thanks man, appreciate it. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out. Right now we are in Ethereum long position up here. There is a huge support level down here. We kind of FOMO'd in up here, which is fine. You know, we're gonna take the risk. You know, Sheldon mess up his copy traders again. Not sure, man. What happened, man? What happened? I haven't been following Sheldon for a long time because he kind of stopped, you know, streaming this 400 million challenge. It bounced off 15.22, just a guess. I think, you know, 16.10 give or take is very, you know, important level sport. But right now, I think a lot of people see these levels, so I'm a little bit unsure whether we're gonna go all the way down there. That's why I kind of, you know, FOMO'd in up here. Let's put in, where was our entry? 16.24. 16.24 give or take. Up here, that's our long entry at 16.24. So we kind of FOMO'd. I'm longer as well on ETH and Bitcoin. Okay, nice. At least that we are in the same direction. Like last time you went short and I was like, what's he doing? And then you won. Sheldon wants to be Formula 1 race car, man. Yeah, Sheldon and the Moon should team up, you know. Sheldon should, you know, the Moon should sponsor Sheldon in a soul short too. I think I might have hit my TP. Won't know till I get home. Nice, captain. Still waiting on my Bitcoin short to hit the damn 22.8. I don't know about 22.8. 22.9 is huge level of support. That's my TP and I can't change it here from work. Ooh. So we're gonna see that. Morning, Sasha. Morning, John Barker. How you doing, man? Let's look at what's happening a little bit small time frame. This 5-minute time frame is just getting rejected up here again. We're gonna see that support level downside down there. A huge support level down here. I would say these are the, you know, right now very big support levels, you know, to consider over here. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out. I think it's nice. You know, extend it towards, you know, towards the support. You can see here how it went over here and then extend towards support down here at, you know, 610. You know, it hit 615 or something like that. Maybe even a little bit lower down there, which is, you know, as close as you can get. Yeah, I mean, as close as you can get. Dude, only shorts today. No longs. It's going to dump hard. Gabriel, you know, if you are having any kind of shorts, you know, I hope that plays out for you. I don't hope for me, but you know, for you I do hope for that. Hope that. By the way, Gabriel, do you have any shorts open? I haven't been following Sheldon, you know, in a while, so I don't know what he's doing, man. Is Dr. This a Midnight Sociality dead drop game even better than I say? I'm more buying more crypto right now. Next 4 years critical for Bitcoin altcoins, the only Bybit trading tutorial you'll ever need. Bro, short from 23.2 on ETH from 175. Nice. On ETH from 1750. Nice. Short on Bitcoin. 50x. Damn, that's huge, man. That's huge. 50x is huge. If you do 50x and you don't get wrecked, you're doing something okay, man. If you can do 50x, like if you do 50x one time and get, you know, get wrecked, you know, there's that. Sorry, if you do 50x like, you know, 10 times and you win like, you know, 2 out of 10, that's bad, right? But if you win 8 out of 10, that's good, right? Yeah, bro, build up your position. 9-8, man, just 40 more bucks, come on. Captain is greedy. Maybe it's gonna go down. Maybe it's gonna go down to the because Bitcoin also. Bitcoin, I said like 22.9 down here, right? If you Captain, if you've been watching my video today, if you've been watching my video today on Bitcoin Daily, see down here we already hit the support levels. This is huge support levels on Bitcoin up here. This 200 moving average and this 10 moving average right down there. So, you know, whether we are gonna hit it, you know, we already kind of touched that, you know, a couple times, 1, 2, 3 times up here. So, you know, what are we gonna, you know, do it again towards downside? You know, I don't know, man. I don't know, Captain. I don't know. Ethereum wants though to go into the zone down there. Ethereum wants to go into the zone. Well, that's my take profit. I'm not being greedy. I just can't change it from work, or I would have closed all out already. Oh, okay. Yeah, go Captain. What kind of sad ass song is this? A whisper. Let's remove that. Can long Ethereum now? I don't know, man. I'm not, you know, if you long Ethereum now, you are at least better, you know, in better, you know, shape than me, because I long that 1624. So I always cry when I hear Interstellar Team. But it wasn't Interstellar. I don't know what that was, but it was Interstellar Team. But it was quite sad, man. Oh! I don't know. You guys think it's gonna stop over here? This is where I actually wanted to long, you know, but it kind of start breaking up. So, you know, I like the Jurassic Park team. Kind of FOMO'd in. The problem is they are very low in volumes. I'm learning that tune. Long there, baby. The volume was kicking in up here, on the bottom down here, on the top up here, on the top up here, and right now on the bottom down here. Maybe we're gonna see that, but we are definitely underwater, you know. So, you know, there we go. We hit the support level down here. Bitcoin, what did Bitcoin do? Bitcoin is going up. Bitcoin is not actually pulling back. I mean, it had a small move towards downside, but that's that on the 5-minute chart. Let's see hourly time frames up here. You know, 1, 2, 3 up here. You know, it had this, you know, small doji, and right. I think it's I gotta go up. I think it's gonna go up. You know, I don't know how much more down we can go. You know, down here would have, you know, been maybe the best entry, you know, that I could have made, but, you know, I kind of FOMO'd in up here, but, you know, there is that. Oh, no idea you were in a trade. Yeah, we are in a trade. We already opened at, you know, 1624, so there is that. And boom, 1609.80. You know, when you go big one day, please don't have an intro song like Sheldon. We already have intro songs, man. We already have intro songs. Now, you know, before I had, you know, a trigger anxiety. Right now I have, you know, too much of a trigger, you know, ability. So there is that. There is that. Breakout traders. When our breakout trader is gonna, you know, enter this game, up there somewhere, right? So breakout traders right up here where my entry was, that's where, you know, the breakout traders will enter the game, I think. If we break that, you know, towards upside, that might actually push towards upside. We're gonna see that in that resistance. Bitcoin going a little bit towards upside. What other coins doing? Dogecoin, this is actually not doing as much. Saying climbing towards upside. Wow, Tron. What kind of candle is this on Tron, man? 2.75% of 5 minutes. What the F, man? What happened there? Polkadot, not much. Apecoin climbing slowly. These are just 5-minute time frames, guys. 5 minutes time frames. Check Chili's. What's up with Chili's? What the? Yeah, but this already played out, not right now, but yeah. Huge volume, broke the channel towards upside. We had this kind of some kind of channel up here. I don't know if this was, you know, a legit channel, but it was some kind of channel. Broke that, got support here, explode towards upside. Broke the channel towards the upside. You know, it doesn't matter what kind of, how you you know, right, you know, type this channel. Maybe this is more legit. Maybe something like this. I don't know. I don't know where the channel is right here, but there is definitely a support line up here. Broke that up here, explode towards upside. Look at the volume up here on Chili's, man. Insane. I think Gala is getting ready to have a good run. You have stop loss? Not yet, not yet. We're gonna see how this actually plays out, because over here we are doing this, you know, a shoe pattern up here, and then towards upside. It can take a little. It can take a little while. It can take a little while. I'm a little bit unsure whether this is just gonna, you know, drop, you know, stand towards that. Like we are on the 4 hour, we are extended. Like I don't think, you know, it can happen. Like never say never, but you know, if I would, you know, look at some kind of chart, you know, without being invested in it, and I see something like this, I would say, it's gonna go up. I just logged here. My entry is 1619. You also kind of form in up here somewhere, you know. You know, your entry is always better than mine, you know, up there, you know. I'm at 24, so, you know, there is that. Like, I actually want to, you can see down here, you know, we know where the supports is, right? This is where I wanted long, exactly that. And you saw, you know, the volume came as soon as we hit that, like, right back up again, right? The volume came in, right? So, you know, this was there, but sometimes you don't hit those levels. Sometimes you come very, very close, and then price just goes towards upside. This time we hit it on the wick. What can I say? What can I say? We hit it on the wick. It was very nice hit up here, you know, and right now it's pulling up a little bit. So, you know, we're gonna see. It's not the worst thing, but you know, if we had bought somewhere up here, right, we will already be something like, you know, 4% up or something like that. We want Tron candle. Yeah, we want Tron candle. Where is that candle, man? It keeps hitting close to 16. It's disrespect the level too much and could dump further, but it's hugging the move. You see the moving averages kind of over here. You see how it's hugging the moving averages. Like, it's not, you know, over here it's dumps but right backs to moving averages, you know, dumps but right backs to moving averages. So it kind of hugs the moving averages, right? Hugs the moving averages, right? We like that. That shows bullishness. That shows bullishness. So I like that. So this move down here, all of that shows me bullishness towards upside. There is, you know, right now resistance up here. There is resistance over here. Sorry, trend line over here as well. Something like this, maybe give or take. So right now you can see here both of these trend lines, both this one and this one right now coming to this very point up here. So if we can right now do any kind of move up here towards upside, you know, or very soon, that's going to be extremely bullish. On the other hand, if it goes back down to these levels and breaks these levels on downside, it might, you know, have another move towards downside, get us out, and then, you know, continue towards upside, of course. It's gonna hug a big short, dude. It's going to hug. Starting to make your famous banana pattern. Yeah, famous banana pattern. But Bitcoin already broke a little bit above here. Let's see if Bitcoin broke the resistance here at the top. Yeah, Bitcoin broke the resistance. It wants to go higher. How about this one? How about this one? Nah, not this one up here. You know, it's still got a little bit more left to go. So we're gonna see 33 minutes left to go. You know, 50 moving average right above this. This all 5-minute time frames. This all 20-minute time frames. But you know, But I'm a little bit unsure whether this is gonna go, you know, something like this and then towards the upside, which it can do. That means that we got, you know, so right now, you know, 10 hours of consolidation phase up here until these moving averages come to, or not 10 hours, but at least until the daily close or something like that down here, and then towards the upside. That'd be like the worst case scenario right now. You know, not getting any kind of pump whatsoever. You know, and then, you know, you're sitting down, down in the micron. It is Bitcoin is 22,869 and it is 1622. Nice, nice. So we're gonna see. Okay, let's take 5 minutes break, guys. Chill with the music while the price goes up. Cold glass of milk. I'm on coke right now. Good trade. Maybe the trick is to need to leave the trade in entries. Limbo. Yeah, we are not celebrating too soon. We're not celebrating too soon. But yeah, things are getting broken a little bit, which, you know, on small time frames it looks good. If Bitcoin goes into green, Bitcoin's creating this, you know, cup and handle pattern up here. It might explode a little bit up here, then pull back, and then go towards the upside. Very nice cup and handle pattern up here. Small time frames, small time frames. Do we have any kind of divergence up here? Yeah, there is a huge divergence up here on Bitcoin. Crossing 1 hourly soon. 4 hourly hitting hit that support right now. Bitcoin can go all the way up, something like, you know, 1.4%. That will get it in green, which is nice. See, he double doji on the bottom down there on the hourly candle. It's not actually perfect doji, but you know, it's some kind of doji, which is very nice. Ethereum, let's go. My swing Bitcoin $20 long from 22.94. I'm in rune short too. Celebrate June, July, moon bottom. June, July, August. June, July, August. The 13 August supermoon is also, you know, technically a supermoon, but it's not as big as June, July. $3 up. I'm gonna take profits, guys. We are up 3.33%. That's more than $6. I think, you know, it's above our average. So I think maybe we should be, you know, thinking about. See here, I mean, down here would have been such a nice entry, because right now it can wick all the way down here again, get everybody out again, and then, you know, go up. $10. 16.35, take profits. 35, I don't see anything at 35. I literally don't see anything on 35. 32, 33, 29, 35. Okay, this one up 35. And then 20 moving average come down. Take profits, remove 5-minute break, thanks. I'm stocking up on a rechain. Take profits. It will pump to 70k level. We still don't have the volume. We still don't have the volume for a move towards upside. There is still some kind of line up here that I'm not seeing. Let's see up here. Maybe these two lines up here, around 50 MA. I would say 50 MA on 5-minute chart, something like that. 10-minute hitting this right below the line. Maybe up here, 20 moving average, 10 minutes time frame. We're gonna see that. V-chain. By the way, you guys, why did I, you know, download this, you know, this very sad music? I mean, Contact the Tower Light. Let's remove that. Take your profit and go short, dude. Yeah, maybe I should list. I don't know, man. I don't know. But, you know, I don't see anything that says right now short. But, you know, if you do, you know, if you do see something, man, I would be interesting to see what you see. I would be interesting to see your lines, because I don't see right now the short. I see a long position, not a short position. I took profits. Nice. For you guys who don't know, you know, we've been doing, you know, $6 profits for a while, and you know, so the joke on the $6 right now, us being above $6. So we're shorting now. Nah, I'm not shorting. $10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go, above 50 MA. Every countdown, every 5-minute countdown is like a New Year Eve countdown, man. 5-minute time above 10-20 moving edge, keeping up there, still below this line. So we're gonna see if it actually drops down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. It just goes up. You think it will go down to 1569? Nah, I think 1610. This was my, this was my actually entry target, but I kind of FOMO'd in up here, because reasons. I don't think it's gonna go down there. I don't think it's gonna. It can go down there, but I might be wrong. I have been wrong before, and you don't know that. I'm in short from 1650. But right now, the reason I'm doing long is because I'm seeing this huge amount of, support down here. I'm seeing some kind of, move down. I'm seeing exhaustion pattern towards downside with a lacking volume. And right now I'm looking for this move towards the upside. But, will we, just, dump down here and then go up? It could happen, but I don't know. In my opinion, Dogecoin Mars Allen is the next Shiba Inu. Intergalactic space currency, folks. Joshua, I hope you make it on Dogecoin Mars Allen. I mean, the fact that Dogecoin Mars Allen actually managed to, stay, in people's minds for this long, and it's not going away. The only meme coin that I can think of that I would, be interested in buying to make millions is, pregnant butt. But, I think that's dead. This beat. Let's see how is pregnant butt doing actually. Here's the moon talking about Bitcoin. Let's go to coin pancake, this pancake swap. Let's see. Pregnant but it's not up there anymore. Pregnant but token. Pivot. Tex Guru. Let's go Tex Guru. The problem is we don't have any volume coming in. Yeah. Do change the white screen. What kind of white screen? What the hell is this? Text Guru. What's this? Okay, quick option or process. No, not really. Doesn't matter. PB. Maybe it's this one. I don't know. Pregnant PB. Maybe it's this one. Since it's top. Maybe this is pregnant butt. This is the main chart. Let's see daily. It's always zero. I don't know. I don't know what this is. I don't know where to find it. What kind of white screen on this one? How am I gonna change the white screen on this one, man? It's still gonna be white. Haven't been on Twitter much lately. Why so? Oh, okay. Price is going up. He's short. Of course, he's gonna be negative. Yes, you can, dude. No, I can't, man. See here. Let's go. Dark. Okay, let's go to. Oh, look, it's actually dark. But this is white. It's only Twitter that's dark. Qcoin is up there. This doesn't happen. Only some pages. Like if some pages has the dark theme, it will actually use the dark theme. But not all pages have dark theme. So appearance brave colors. Can we low GMT Europe? I'm not even sure if you can. He isn't always shorting. There you go. We failed to break up. Right now pulling back down a little bit. This can actually right now maybe Captain will get her wish. I still say 1569 to 1580. I'll be very interested to see how you find the 15.8 down here. Let's clear up everything and see if we can find anything below the levels down here, because this over here seems to be important level. Yeah, I haven't been doing the the lines. I mean, technically it could be something like this up here, right? So it, technically it can actually break down over here if it doesn't have to get a support up here, go down here, down there, and then towards up. But this is at 1530 or something like that, 1515. It's not on 5080 or something like that. Let's go to the daily time frame. Look at this, it's 10 moving average down here, but the 20 moving average on the daily is down here at 1511. See, we are creating higher highs on the 2-day chart without the divergence, which is nice. The wall, momentum is kind of hitting. The 2-day can go 1541, support 1578. I don't know. Maybe short term, I think, hedge fund dumping in the next 4-hour candle. Of course, Jay, of course. Hedge fund, of course. It's always the next 4-hour candle. How you doing, man? Long time no see. I missed your negative, negative attitude. I like the level 1569 on it. It's positive. Yeah, it depends from which side we look at the opinion, so you look at it positive, I look at it as negative. Your balance only thing negative. the jokes from this guy. Sorry, but I long GMT with 5x. You do you, man, I do me. See Bitcoin up here 125. Bitcoin is doing like the same thing right now. Look, guys, let's split the screen up here for a second. Do you see this move up here on Bitcoin, right? This move over here. Now check this out. Now what I'm gonna show you over here is on the daily time frame on Bitcoin. Isn't these two moves like very similar? Like look at this and look at this over here. Let's pop the moving averages on this one as well. It's a little bit different. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So this is third move. So this part over here is only something like this part over here. Love the massive bear flag. So right now, if this is gonna play out like the daily time frame, we might expect another move up here, then down to support lines, right? If this is gonna play out the same way, it looks the same. I don't know, man. See here, capitulation phase, move down, bounce up, bounce down, bounce up, bounce down, bounce up, bounce down, bounce up, bounce down, and then you have this resistance, you break the resistance, you pull down, and right now after on the daily time frame we already had this move, so right now we can expect this move, right? It is more wiki, but did you guys think this looks the same? This is 5-minute chart versus daily chart. Same pattern. Daily looks extremely weak when you look at the RSI. I think it looks the same. I like the same patterns. just consolidating without breaking. An episode of Wheel of Fortune of the puzzle clue was Bitcoin is the future. In the episode of Wheel of Fortune, the puzzle clue was Bitcoin is the future. What was the answer? Not every channel's a bear flag. Looks like a dump to me. Everything looks like a dump to you, man. You need to get a girlfriend. As soon as you get a girlfriend, everything is gonna be looking like a pump. Trust me on this one, man. Life advice, get a girlfriend that you like, you know. And, you know, suddenly, like, doesn't matter how negative stuff looks, it looks good. Everything looks good, everything's to the moon. Because when your inner, you know, self is, you know, happy, everything is happy. But when your inner self is bad, you know, everything is bad as well. It will dump you. Healthy correction for Bitcoin in my opinion. Check Jamsey 1 day to F going on with the blast. E2Jack 1616. 1616, that's all the way down there. Yeah, I mean, we definitely see the level up here. Very nice level down here at 16, 16, 16, 17. So, you know, but the fact it's not breaking this, you know, this line over here, it's getting me a little bit worried. But, you know, we are still above the 10-20 moving average up here. So once we break up here, you know, the question is, are we just gonna, you know, bounce above the 50 MA? This is still on the 5-minute chart. We should probably zoom in out a little bit over here on the 10-minute chart right now, closing in 8 minutes. Had a doji up there. Let's see 50-minute chart. 50-minute chart managed to close above the 10 moving average. 30-minute chart still below, way below. Pumping more ways than one. Yeah. Oh, so it trades with emotion. Of course, of course. What kind of other type of trading is there if there is no emotions? 1635 easy. Jasmine. I'm not gonna look at Jasmine, man. Oh, look at the line. Give or take. Let's drop both of these. This is too steep. Let's see how this looks on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, it's right above us. This 5-minute time frame also breaking towards upside. No divergence. Very nice. 2 minutes left. If you can manage to get above, you know, create a higher high up here, that might be actually good for you know, continuation towards the upside. What's up, Ben? Ben is in the chat. U-shape recovery on Bitcoin. Yeah, we looked at Bitcoin, and it you know, it has this you know, V-shape up here. U-shape. Feel a lot of resistance being generated in this area, so liquidity capture will happen. You might be right, Mohammed. You might be right. That's what I feel. I mean, we already went down there. We already went. People already went low. We had this capitulation up here, and right now we're going up, right? So there was a capitulation candle up here already happened. The way I see it, right? Let's change these lines a little bit up here. We're not gonna use these over here anymore, but we're gonna use this one and this over here, and maybe this one. Let's use all three just to see, you know. So as soon as we are above the 50 MA, 50 MA is like the god. As soon as we are above up here, we are above all of these three. Doesn't matter how you draw them. But this was on the 1 hourly time. No, this is not 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame. So 50 minutes for 30 minutes close. 45 seconds for 44 seconds, 42, 40 seconds for the 50 minutes close, which would be nice if we stay above my entry, because there is 10 moving average up there, which shows a little bit, you know, okay, we managed to stay up there, you know. That might be good. That might be good, right? Double top on Gala for me. Fine, thank you. And you? Doing better, doing better. You know, been sick for a little while, so you know, right now I think I'm recovering a little bit. So you know, you haven't seen me, you know, coughing, you know, entire stream, so that's good. And we've been streaming for like 50 minutes, so you know, I'm optimistic. How much leverage do you play? Where is the stop loss? Stop loss is in the head, the leverage is 10x always. There we go, we managed to stay above the 10 moving average on the 50-minute chart. On the 10-minute chart, we still got a 5 minutes left. On the 5-minute chart, we managed still to stay above this 10-20 moving average up here right now. But you know, I don't like the leg that there is so little move up here towards the upside. The leg of the movement towards the upside is kind of a little bit, you know, a little bit scary, because this can right now, you know, go down here. It does that. It might go up here, down again. So I think, you know, right now, like I'm a little bit, you know, maybe short here, you know, towards the downside here, and then towards the upside. Still here, poor but not broke, but learning. Damn, John. We need to take lesson from every single trade, from every single, you know, lost opportunity. But the way I see it, like, number one, I'm not a trader. I do not know how to do this, so I'm trying to learn how to trade, because, you know, doing TA and trading is two different things. It's two different things. Like, you saw me, you saw me lose a lot of time, right? And it's, you know, and oftentimes I'm right in the direction which stuff should go. But you know, doing 10x and getting in without, you know, without some kind of tight stop loss and stuff like that, you gotta be kind of on point, and it's really, really hard for some reason. So, you know, we need to stick in there. Consistency and persuasion, it's not persuasion, consistency and perseverance will get us through, right? So if we do this for an entire year, for 2 years, if we just try, you know, we don't give up, you know, we don't, you know, we don't feel sad, we don't try to, you know, revenge trade, we don't lose our accounts, we just keep on going, trying to learn a little bit every day. After a year or two's times, we're gonna be doing good, guys. We're gonna be doing good trades. We're gonna be learning stuff. We're gonna be learning what to do and what not to do. It's not about TM. Of course, it's not about TM, and we know that. It's about secret society, you know, hedge funds and investors, you know, trying to take the money away from the retail, and they are moving the prices to their commands. And of course, one of these guys is sending you the messages. So, and you are not sharing the messages with us, you know. So, you know, I don't know, man. Perseverance all the way. Yeah, perseverance. Stock overbought on the 50 minutes with the low volume bits. It might dump a little bit first before moving it back up. I'm not really good on stock, so, but you know, maybe I should actually check it out. Persistence, perseverance. I cannot actually pronounce the word perseverance. Perseverance. I don't know. Check 2018-19 weekly chart. When people FOMO in, they dump it hard to 3.5. Then slowly bull market start. Yeah, so before we actually have the, you know, the last part of the bull market, we dumped pretty hard, but you know, that's not happening just yet. But I did in the Telegram chat today, guys, in the Telegram chat today, I did post a video today. Where is it? Here I posted why I'm buying 100,000 of Bitcoin. This is it. So, you know, I don't know, you know, who tech lead is. I watch him because, you know, a lot of drama. He's always, you know, some kind of controversy, stuff like that. And I wrote they are beginning to FOMO, time to sell. So yeah, we know. So when people start, you know, buying, you know, grandpa and grandpa start buying, you know, when the FOMO kicks in, we know it's time to sell. But we are not quite there just now. You see here, it just tries to go up, but you know, it kind of fails every single time right now. And right now it is turning up here. So it's still 5 minutes time frame. Let's see 10 minutes time frame closing in 1 minute. Don't that guy. I'm so glad you don't cry like Cry for Life does on his show, dude. Why does he cry? Perseverance. Hope that perseverance. Oh my god, I gotta listen to somebody who knows. Perseverance. Hey, I'm granddad. Oi, John Barker, guys, John Barker just became a granddad. Congrats, man. Perseverance. Is the boy or a girl? Is the boy or girl? You know, all the best, John, all the best. That's great news, man. Damien. Now say pump. There we go. This is a normal move, but right now it's gonna continue, or it can continue down here, and then it can pump up here. This was a failure up here. I saw the failure, man. So no, let it go, let it go. Perseverance. 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 Ah, to je perseverance. Don't let me incorporate our, you know, our dialect into the English. Yeah, it is playing like I think it, you know, the hopium towards upside was too high. There will be divergence, so this might be the last dump before we actually, you know, go towards the upside. Unless of course he starts breaking this towards downside, you know, small pump, big dumps. So you get direct longs. What did Bitcoin do? Bitcoin pull back. So this broke. This almost holding. Let's see up here. It's okay, at least you can pronounce Przemek. I can pronounce it, but I don't know what it is. Przemek. Total vector candles. Vector candles. Is this the vector candles? I think I saw these things. Maybe not. Vector. Vector candle. Let me see what the vector candles are. I don't know what vector candles, but I think I did see him, you know, use it before. I don't know what they are. But done in about 10 to 15 minutes. Bro, check the 50 minutes. Gabriel, you might be right. Vector colored candles when high volume occurs. I mean, there might be some interesting, you know. Looks like Bitcoin just has 200 weekly, isn't it? Yeah. So yes, Tino is the man. The thing about Traders Reality, you know, if you need some kind of hopium, guys, if you want some kind of inspiration, you watch Traders Reality. Why? Because that guy has a radio voice. He's so inspiring. He's so motivating. You know, if I had a, you know, a coach in anything I do, I would like, you know, Traders Reality to be the coach in that, because he knows how to inspire. But when it comes to his TA, I'm like, eh. Dumpy hard tonight, gonna get another Lambo when I wake up. Vector Cancer made me a 1 minute scalping king. Nice. He's always on point. I don't know, man. I haven't seen, you know, I don't watch him daily, so I don't know. I did watch him, you know, a couple of times just to see what the show is about, but, you know, the way he does stuff and analyze stuff is not my thing, you know. I think he's using vector because love chat XYZ. How you doing, man? You know what? I'm not gonna ban the bot. Nah, I gotta ban the bot. Kansas pure gamble. Looking at such a market cipher, so what's your thought? Market cipher is just a bunch of indicators, you know, thrown together with some kind of on-chain and, you know, on-chain information in it, and, you know, the crypto phase guy, you know, he knows how to analyze that, so you know, maybe it's helpful for him, you know. But number one, you have to learn, you know, how to, you know, analyze his indicator, you know, and you know, whether it is good or not, I don't know. But you know, he makes a lot of money on indicator and in trading, so you know, I don't know, maybe it's good. I didn't even see the divergence of the chart. There we go. Happy days is saying with so much joy. Why don't trade Forex? You're wasting time. Why would I trade Forex? Like literally, why would I trade Forex? I'm gonna take a bet. I'm guessing age JA is 14 years old. Likes to play Fortnite. Most of his time is spent on Twitch. He likes to gamble on meme coins. He always sees something that's gonna go 1000x and gambles on that. And he likes to think that he is right, so he goes around different channels and telling everybody how wrong they are because he's right. Unfortunately, JA does not own a Lambo. Unfortunately, JA isn't showing us, you know, messages from his secret hedge fund, you know, friend. Unfortunately, you know, it's gonna take on the risk. Still my short since 1722. Milano is still in your short. I can show you. Yeah, show me, man. Show me. Go to Twitter and message me on my Twitter, man. I appreciate it. Show 7080. We just fell below the midline on the rising channel of Ethereum. Go short, dude. Wow. People are so bullying in the chat. Go short, man. Stop being a, you know, dumbass. Go short. Do it now. Go short or you're gonna, you know, lose all your money. Go short. Why? I'm Dutch. Where are you from? Let's meet. Why would I meet you, man? Why would I meet the guy that hates me the most in the chat? I mean, there are like, you know, I won't say 100 guys, but you know, at least 10 people in the chat that like me. I would like to meet people that like me. Why would I meet you? It doesn't make any sense. Have it your way. Duo him for, yeah, JA. I'm gonna download Fortnite and I'm gonna duo you in Fortnite, and if I win, you're gonna be very, very nice in the chat. Is that a deal? Okay? If I win, you know, I'll learn you to be a big baller. I like you. You like me. No, I like you. Don't tell me you like me. I like you. I like you. Come to Michigan, low. Ben Farr, you legend, love the shot. Thanks, man. There's not much to do besides, you know, speaking with the chats, with the chat while the stuff is going on. You know, we do look at the charts, but right now, stuck peak. Okay. Big Chicken is right. You know, we gotta grow up. You know, grow up a little bit. I don't play Fortnite. I eat candles all day. So you play World of Warcraft? Who took my candle? Who took my candles? What I say? Don't take my candle. Don't take my candle. I don't play with Lamborghinis. Comes in someone's live stream. It's all good, man. I look at the charts all day long. Nice. Slam the like. Yeah, guys. If you like the, you know, beef, slam the like button. Slap the like button. Okay, there we go. Hitting the resistance up there. Maybe you should exit the trade right now. But we're gonna see this. Put half of this on 100x short on Bitcoin for me. If not, it's cool. I can't do it right now because I only have the account up here. And I don't have the money to do that. Sorry, man. It has to be after the trade, but you know, it cannot be right now. Nice. Still not out yet, still not out yet. It did nice pump to the resistance. Do we have the volume? Still no volume. Pump with the volume towards the resistance. We're gonna see. But thanks for $10, Mason. It's okay, yeah. I would have done it if it you know, but there is no money on Bybit. I do 100x. I am 100% on the trades. Like, I feel good when I see you making 6 a win. That gave me hope on myself. Good, man, good. I always tell people, like, guys, if you are showing your wins, you gotta show your losses as well, because there is definitely losses that you could be, you know, showing as well. And it's good that the other people see that people are losing as well, because it makes them feel, because if you only see everybody winning, like you go to Twitter, right, you only see this guy's winning, that guy's winning, and you think like they're winning all the time. They're not winning all the time, they're just not showing you the losses. They're creating this perception of winning, which is not, you know, not true. So, you know, if you guys, if you're in the chat and you are posting your wins, post also losses. Show like, hey man, I just lost like 50% of my account. I just lost 10%. I just lost 30%. I did this bad trade. You know, there has to be some balance. I'm not saying that you should post all the time, but you know, there has to be some, you know, piece of information that shows that other people are mortal as well, right? I get stopped out of my entry, 1644. Sidecar, what kind of indicator they use? With Amanda. Only Rasa make the Antilla OVAX. Sagar uses TLI OVAX, nice. There's one guy in the chat using my indicator. We managed to pump about 10-20 moving average, very nice. Bullish engulfing candle on the 10-minute chart, 5-minute chart managed to go up higher up here. Do we have divergence right now on the chart? There is no divergence up here. This actually looks good for continuation towards the upside. For every buyer there is a seller, for every winner there is a loser. Yeah, it might be something like that, but you know, for every buyer there might be a, you know, market maker seller, and for every loser there might be a market maker winner. So it's not, you know, retail versus retail, it's always retail versus market maker. Guys, we're gonna take 5-minute break. Share my loss in chat. Nice, Sputnik, nice. Tears looking for loss, good, now dump it. Oh, this one is nice. Thanks. The land of milk and honey. What's good? Eat is good. Bigger time frame says not quite yet. So we might be taking a very, if it right now hitting this 1692. So if you look at it on big time frames up here, it went up here, went down, or up here, might go down here again, do the same thing over here and then go up, right? So on bigger time frames it's not yet quite ready, I think. Okay, let's still not above all the moving average. It's above 50 though, that's good. 10 moving average is above 1020, that's nice. 30 minutes hitting resistance up here, needs to get up above that. Still 2 hours bullish engulfing candle up here, it looks good. But we did not buy here, we bought down here, so still no volume. Made good gains with Chili's and Gala today. Nice one, last one. Good evening, yeah, good evening, man. Glad to hear that. What's your target for it? I'm trying to figure that out. Let's remove the lines up here a little bit so we can see this clearer. $16.48 seems to be important. That's like 15% up. Yeah, 16.48. 16.48 still up here. 16.56 give or take. 47. Yeah, up here. 48 to 56 give or take, and the small time is up here also. Yeah, something like that maybe. If this goes towards the upside, I'm looking at, you know, 48 to 56, you know, for some, because these bigger time frames might, you know, do this move up here and do this and then go up, right? So that is gonna do stuff like this up here. A little bit premature. I will keep it long. In my opinion, it's a retracement. Unless, you know, it just dumps right now, but you know. So 48 to 56, let's go back to the lines. 48 to 56, right? Give or take. And that would be something like, if we win the trade, at least something like 15% win. So it's okay. I will be happy with 15%. As I have just quit short, I might regret. We'll see, man. Hello, Chadwick, how you doing, man? By the way, Chadwick, my name is not Magnus. It was a joke. When people started asking me what my name is, I started joking, you know, I'm from Norway, my name is Magnus Carlsen, and I think too many people took that way too seriously. So, if you don't know who Magnus Carlsen is, Magnus Carlsen is Sven Magnus Owen Carlsen, is a Norwegian chess master who is reigned 5-time world chess champion. He's number 1 in chess. Good chess player, yeah, the best chess. So he's number 1, and Magnus Carlsen is number 1, 2863. And Rapid he is number 2, he was number 1, but right now Nakamura is number 1, and in Blitz he's right now number 5, actually 5 Blitz, but he was number 1 in all of these, all of these. So he's the reigning master. The upcoming number 2 right now is Firouzja. Firouzja is the big, you know, talent that everybody thinks that, you know, he's gonna take over after Carlsen. He's, you know, only 19 years old, but you know, he's up there. Oh my god, who is this? Gukesh. Gukesh is 16 years old, 2007. That's huge, man. I like Sipenko as well. I like how he plays. He's very humble as well, but he's 20 years old. 17-year-old Abdush Satorov. 16-year-old Pragan, Indian guy. India has a lot of good players, chess players. But yeah, Magnus Carlsen is insane. When you get into Gala, old school joke. I'll captain. Five more bucks and I'm out. Nice. Carlsen. You could pass for Magnus. Nah, my rating is at 1500, so you know, definitely could not pass for Magnus. Up to 1634, 1634, 1635. You really like that 1635. You really like that 1635. It's getting high up here, above the 20 moving average and 50-minute chart, closed up there. 30 minutes not yet closed, but it looks like it wants to close. Bitcoin got rejected a little bit up there. Yeah, Bitcoin is doing this, you know, this cup over here right now, this handle up here towards the upside. So where is the, you know, trend line? Something like this up here, maybe something like this. A little bit unsure, but it goes someplace up here. Oh my God, there is a rising wedge. I did not even see that. Is there a rising wedge up here? Is there a rising wedge on Ethereum? No, there is no rising wedge on Ethereum. Still no volume, but volume is slowly climbing towards upside. It's good. $1 to my TP. Greedy, greedy. Ooh, to move. Nah, man, you need more respect on that line. Which line? What are you talking about? Bitcoin or? Any thoughts on Flux? Nah, no thoughts. You mean the indicator? Oh, it's nothing. It's a coin. No thoughts on that, man. No thoughts on that. If it starts closing below our entry, I think we're gonna close. I don't think right now, you know, down here we could definitely go down there without any kind of problems. But if it goes down there, you know, starts going down here again, then I think, because right now we have been breaking this towards the upside, right? So if it starts breaking, you know, going down here, you know, our stop loss is right now no longer down here, because when we enter the position up here, right? This was kind of expected. We kind of FOMO'd in up here, but this was kind of expected. So we, you know, 10% down, no problem whatsoever, right? Right now, this 10% over here will be a problem, because this is not supposed to happen again, right? We just crossed certain levels, we just crossed certain support lines, we just, you know, bounced up. Right now having a pullback. So if we start going down again, this is a very bad move, and I don't want to, you know, experience, you know, downside. So once the analysis up here was okay and the down moves couldn't happen. We had no problem whatsoever holding the chart. I mean, you saw that I wasn't in any way, shape or form, invested or emotionally in the charts when he did these two moves towards downside. I wasn't panicking or anything like that because it was kind of expected he's gonna do that. Even up here I was saying this looks like he's gonna do another move towards downside, in which he actually did, right? Now the problem up here, because we did break right now over certain levels, and right now move towards downside will be actually bad move, and this is actually what we break in the matrix. So right now, although before our stop, mental stop was in the area below the support, right now our stop loss is no longer down there because that's a 10% move. We're not gonna accept that anymore because we right now the situation is a little bit different. Right now our stop loss will be below these moving averages here on the 5-minute chart, below our entry down here over here. So as soon as we start closing down here, I'm gonna probably close the trade. Small pumps, big dumps. No, but if you look at a 1 hourly time frame, we already had a bullish engulfing candle, so it's a bigger pump than actually dump on a 1 hourly candle, right? 4 hourly is still looking okay. It might, consolidate up here. So I think we need to follow very closely up here. So this might be short-lived right now. This trade, maybe it was a little bit too soon. I saw this pattern up here on the 5-minute time frame up here, right? And flux looks juicy, insane chart, a bit overstand though. What moving average do you have set? 10, 20, 50, 100, 200. Close below 50, still holding above this 10. There's a 20 dump here right now where our entry is. This is a 5-minute chart. Let it go a little bit. We're gonna wait 5-minute chart to actually close. See how Bitcoin is doing. Yeah, Bitcoin is pulling back nicely. Support. So let's see where we close with this candle over here. 5 minutes left, so it's too soon. Just $1 to my TP. 5-minute break. Now. So if this starts closing down here below the entry, we're definitely gonna close the trade. So I think we need to see, because it's not supposed to happen, right? This closing down here, it will be bad, and it can just do this over here and continue on the downside, which we don't want to be part of. Like we're gonna accept any kind of loss up here in this range up here, like 3-4% loss, 5% loss. There is no problem with that. Like 5-minute trade, like no problem whatsoever. Wreck the green god candles. Oh, how people are bearish. Yeah, there will always be both people on one and other side, but you cannot trust when people yell, guys. You can never trust when people yell. Doesn't matter whether that's in chat or on forum or anywhere. When people are very, very confident, and you'll see this all the time. Doesn't matter what you do, guys. Doesn't matter what you do. This is life lesson. If you see people being overconfident on something, this is gonna happen, that's gonna happen, doesn't matter. The house that we are putting up, I know 100% this is wrong way to do, blah, and they are not showing any proof or anything like that. Overconfidence, be always wary of overconfidence. Maybe they just, that's the way their psychology is working, because they, usually get their way when they are overconfident and everybody listens to them. But, once you start calling them out on their bullshit, they stop doing that, right? Where is your guys' stop loss? If you draw a line from the last 3 falls, it's up now in 5 minutes. Why market going down? Any bad news? Nothing is going down. What you talking about? What you mean why market is going down? Dev left. It's loving 60-19 as support. Yeah, down here at 16.22 actually. This doji up here is, pushing up. Let's see 30-minute chart up here, which is very bad. Let's see down here. There's a huge bullish divergence on the 30-minute chart if it drops down, because you know pushing down below 30 might take some effort. We're gonna see how this closes. Right now our stop loss, you know, our entry is up here. This is now it will fly. When I close it will fly though. When I close in a loss it will fly. A little bit of opium. Yeah, I don't want to live on opium. Last trade, I don't know if you guys remember last trade. We also did it on Ethereum. And we've been living on opium for so long. There was a rising wedge. We said like the trade was going good, like 20% up. And rising wedge, and we said like it's just gonna pull back a little bit, get support, bounce off of that. We waited for that support broke. We waited to get to the entry. We did not, you know, pull the trigger and close the trade. It went below our entry. We waited and waited and waited, and then we, you know, lost like minus 50%. So we're not gonna live on the opium, guys. Right now, you know, if it starts closing below our entry, yeah, you know, that's gonna be it, guys. ATL adopter. Where's the 200 moving average on the chart, bro? 200 moving average on Bitcoin, it's at 29. On weekly it's at 29. On daily it's all the way up at 33.8 on hourly ETH chart. Let me just see how this actually closes. It's above 20 moving average. Nice. Okay, so it pulled back. So we're gonna wait a little bit more and see how this actually plays out. So it didn't close below our 1624. It pulled back above the moving averages. It was a nice move towards the downside, but you know, we're gonna let it go. 200 moving average on there, bro. On the hourly, 200 moving average is down here, 1610. On 1 hour chart, yeah, 1610. It was one of the support lines that I actually used. So if you look up here, I used the 200 moving average on the 1 hourly. I used the 50 moving average on the 4 hourly. I used the you know, 10 on daily, and one more I think, and everything was in the same spot. The baby's crying. Up, down, or sideways. You never with 100% certainty which way will go. Q until 200 is acting as support. 200 exponential moving average. Maybe. Let's see EMAS. Yeah, here's EMA. It's not acting as support, but it's acting as a resistance. 1624. Guys, I gotta go take care of the baby, but if the price closes below there, I will, you know, I will close the trade though from my phone. There we go, guys. I'm out of the trade. Unfortunately, I'll show you up here. Positions, there is no position. I closed it on my phone. Closed minus 45 bucks. So there is that, guys. There is that, because it did close below my stuff, and you know, I don't like to leave on the hopium. If he had our entry, you know, if he had our entry down here, where I actually, you know, hoped that we, you know, we could have, you know, we could have a good time by, you know, towards the downside, you know, and upside, you know, we could already take some 50% profits and stuff like that, right? But it started closing below down here on the 5-minute chart. You know, it does not look good. It might have a nice pop up. It might even go towards the upside, but I don't want to live on hopium, right? I don't want to live on hopium. Yeah, now it will pump, of course. Now it will pump, of course. But I think I learned a lesson. I think I learned a lesson, because there we have been watching this pattern on a 5-minute time frame, right? Now, if this pattern I played out on any kind of bigger time frame, stuff like that, it might be a lot better. So let's clean up everything up here. So you see here, the same pattern up here, you know, might play out. So if you had waited, you know, for you know, maybe until tomorrow or something like that, there might be very nice entry somewhere up here towards the upside on bigger time frames, and that might be even better, right? Because this is just the first move towards downside. I was hoping it's just gonna, you know, ricochet towards upside, but it never did. And right now it's still, you know, kind of losing the steam towards downside. It's really, it doesn't look that good right now, so it might even fall further towards downside over here again. And I don't wanna ride the train and stuff like that, right? So that is it, guys. You know, the trade failed, but let's update the chart, or you know, the stuff. So today is 1/8/22, trade number 34, ETH long. We started at 14.37, and right now we are at what we are at right now, 13.91. 13.91. Another losing trade, guys, minus 3%, but this was actually a lot worse. This was 11%, but you know, 3% is not bad. 3% is nothing, right? This is bad, right? This is actually good. None of these, you know, 7% was actually also bad. 20% Shiba trade, extremely bad, right? We don't want to see this. Like, you know, 3%, 1, you know, even 5% is a little bit big, but you know, nothing to worry about. But you know, these you know, double digits losses, they are really bad. So you know, I'm very glad that we avoided a big loss, you know, in you know, when it comes to, you know, when I look at it. So you know, right now at 13.91, so you know, there's that. Not much we can do about that. 13.91 and 332. 332. There we go. Updated everything. Still only support on hourly though. Yeah, it might be that. When another 5-10 minutes, then you can go on a strong sell, bro. Sometimes I want to smash it, and sometimes I want to pass. It depends on the room's lighting. What? I missed a little bit of chat. We need green inputs. At least you know when to find the best agile dating. Yeah, at least we know where to find best agile dating, of course. So I really don't care if this pumps right now. You know, the trade was, you know, so and so. You know, the entry should have been down here. It was up here. You know, and then you have this, you know, emotional roller coaster once you enter in this range. You know, so that is that. So you know, we did not enter down here. We did not, you know, short it up here. So that's what you get. Anyways, guys, thanks for everybody for stopping by. I'm gonna go do some other stuff, maybe sleep. You know, tomorrow is new day. Tomorrow the markets will still be here. Maybe on the bigger time frames we will have a better patterns. So there is that. Better for jumping and short. Another small pump to the strap longs. I might do that. We'll see. This is actually a failure up here. So we're gonna see on 30 chart up here, like this might go up here, and right now, you know, might, you know, bounce up towards the upside. This might have been the bottom. I don't know, guys. I don't know, but you know, when we are doing the leverage with 10x, I really don't want to, you know, wait to find out whether I'm right or wrong on this move. It went below 3%. It's okay. There is that. That's it, guys. Join KuCoin, get the gems, accumulation phase. You know, the bull market is gonna happen eventually. You wanna be there. And only way to find gems is on KuCoin. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Well, not same time, same place, but you know, give or take. Okay, guys, bye-bye.